to see the construction site. David.
Looking at the truck when they're tearing up the road.
Yep. Let's go. All right, David, it's a steamroller. What's that one over there called?
Steamroller.
What is it?
Steamroller.
Yeah, we got a steamroller to flatten the roads. Come here. You know what this one over here is? It has a chair up there. And then all this black tar. Do you know what this is? That's the actual paver. That's what paves the road. Pretty cool stuff. What's that?
Don't do it out adult supervision or permission. Only do it in act.
Yeah. Look at that tractor.
What? That's a bulldozer. Why are they breaking up the road?
Put a new one down. Checking to see it's level. That guy's got level.
Yep, it does. Whoa.
No, it's a diesel engine, and that's called a grater. It's to grade the road.
They're leaving.
What?
They're leaving.
Yeah, he's gonna clean up the new road, and they're gonna level it all out. He's putting a level to make sure the road is nice and level, and that tractor's called a grater, and it's going to make the road nice and level.
Why does it make it level?
Well, because you don't want to drive on a bumpy, hilly road.
Are they dirty?
They get dirty, yeah. When they work, they get dirty.
What is that? What came down?
That's the grading tool. It comes down to make the road nice and flat. See how all the dirt's pushing nice and flat?
I don't see under. I have no toys like this. Why there's bulldozers right there still?
Because he makes the dirt into piles over there, and then the bulldozers pick it up and put it into the dump truck to take it away.
Bulldozer over there.
Over there, yep. There's other tools. I don't know. Yep. All this to build a road. It's time to level that spot. That is a brush. So they attach it to the front of a tractor to brush it. And see that road cutter? That's to cut concrete. You see that right there?
Yeah.
That's to cut the concrete.
How are they gonna pick that up?
It's just a saw. They pick it up. And then they put this on the front of the tractor to brush off the road when they're all done.
Yeah, come on.
Beekman saying hi. To you.
What?
To you. Saying hi to you.
How do you know?
Okay, what's this next tractor? It's a bulldozer.
Who's it backwards?
Yep. Because sometimes he doesn't have room to turn around, so he's got to go backwards.
Why is it that backwards?
I don't know.
Is that what's there? Why is that loaded like that?
What's he going to do?
You know why the shelter's on?
What?
Why is the shelter on?
Oh, in case it starts raining. It has a cover. That's just the way it's built. Like a car. Maybe it's air conditioned in there. I don't know. You just need a little bit of dirt, I guess.
Why is he putting it all like there?
Because now the big one's going to come pick it up, I think. He's like, I'm done with my job. Going right at us. Now this guy's going to come pick it up. He's got a road sweeper. See right there? Because it gets dusty out here. So you can get air. See, he's got the level back there to make sure it's all level. He just smoothed that whole road up, didn't he? Whoa, David. Come on. Can you pick that up, maybe? These guys are gonna pick this up. I don't know. I thought he was gonna pick that up. Is this cool?
Yes.
What's so cool about it?
I never saw this before.
All the tractors?
Yeah.
Scoop up all the extra dirt and give it to the big dumper. a giant steamroller, do you see it? Feel the ground shaking. Yeah, I can feel the ground shaking from the steamroller because it vibrates. You want to get down and feel it? The whole ground is shaking from the steamroller coming by. Wow. No. Get up. We can't touch the machine. We're just here to look, no touching. Where are you going? What? It's tickling your feet? Oh, the whole ground is shaking. Yeah, do you feel the ground shaking?
Yes.
Almost all done. How smooth the road is after the steamroller. Nice and smooth. If you like this video, make sure you click right here to subscribe. Also, be sure and check out some of our other videos.